Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today is day number 15 of our 30 days of yoga series. So today we'll be focusing on twists, mainly twisting while in high lunge. So all you will need today is your mat and a blanket. So grab those and we will get started. So we'll start in mountain pose at the top of the mat, grounding the heel and the ball of the foot down into the mat. Lift the arch, lift the toes, and then softly replace the toes down to the mat. Lift the shoulders up and back, mountain pose. On the inhale, bring the arms up. Exhale as we dive forward, leading with the chest, coming into a forward fold. Inhale into a half forward fold, neutral spine. Exhale, forward fold. Keeping the left hand down, reaching the right arm up. Mini twist. And then coming down. And then leaving the right arm down, reaching the left arm up. Mini twist. And then coming down, and then reaching both arms out and up. Exhale as we come back down, forward fold, and then bring the hands down, stepping the left foot back, keeping the right foot where it is, keeping the heel lifted and having the ball of the foot on the mat. And then reaching the arms up, coming into a high lunge. Bring the hands to your heart. We're going to take an inhale here. And then exhale as you twist to the right. So that left elbow may come to the outside of the right knee. It may not. We're just focused on twisting the spine to the right. And breathe. Try to keep that right shoulder open. And then we'll come back to center. We'll bring the hands down. Stepping the right foot back. Coming straight to a down dog. Now you may want to shorten the stance a little. Walking the feet in, walking the hands in. And then we're just going to come into a down dog twist. So bringing that right hand to the left ankle. Full breath. And then coming back. And then switching. Left hand to right ankle. And coming back. And then just walking the feet forward. Coming back to your forward fold. And then reaching the arms out and all the way up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Coming back to mountain pose, you can come back to the top of the mat. We're going to do that all again on the other side. So whenever you're ready, just inhale, bring the arms out and up. Exhale, coming down, forward fold. Inhale to a half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Keeping the right hand down, reaching the left arm up. Mini twist. Coming back down. Leaving the left hand down, right arm up. And back down. Inhale, arms out and up. Exhale, coming back down, forward fold. And this time stepping the right foot back. into a high lunge. Front knee is still bent. Bringing the arms up. And then we'll bring our hands to our heart. Setting up for our twist again. Take an inhale here. Exhale as we twist to the left this time. Again, the right elbow may come to the outside of the left knee. It may not. We're focused on twisting the spine and opening that left shoulder. And breathe. And then coming up. Bringing the hands down and stepping the left foot back. Straight to downward facing dog. Full breath. And then shortening the stance. So walking the feet in, hands in just a little. And then bringing the left hand to the right ankle. And release. And then bringing the right hand to left ankle. And release. And again, just walking the feet forward. Coming into a full forward fold. Inhale, the arms come out and up. Palms together. Exhale, hands to your heart. And then dropping the hands down by your side, we're going to end with our 3 full breaths. So when you're ready, take an inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One last time, inhale and exhale. Bring the palms together in front of your heart. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Namaste.